Alright, hello everyone. To start, we're going to need our 4 shape templates, one red, one blue, one green, and one yellow. We will need some glue, scissors, 2 popsicle sticks that are found in your kit, and a little ball of yarn found in your kit as well. So first we're going to start with our 2 popsicle sticks, and you want to make sure you have a piece of paper underneath you because glue will probably get on your table, and we want to be able to move this out of our way. So we are going to make an X with our popsicle sticks, so putting glue on the middle of one of them. Instead of the one I'm holding, I probably should have put the glue on the one that's on the paper, so you all can do that. And then make sure that your sticks are in an X. And then I added just a little drop of glue to each side so that it will be a little bit stronger when it dries. So I have it on my piece of paper because we're now going to set it to the side because we're not going to touch that until it's dry. So now we're going to fold our shape templates on those broken lines. So where there's the broken line on each page, you want to fold your paper into thirds. So that was one fold. And then another fold. And you want to do that to all of your shape templates. Save your heart template for last so that you have a little bit of experience folding the paper because there's not lines on that one. So fold that one into thirds just like you did the other ones. So next we are going to cut out our shapes, and the reason that we folded them is because we want to have 3 of the same size shapes. So don't let go of your paper until you're completely done cutting it. And then you will have 3 of the exact same shape. Now cut out all of your shapes from all of your templates. So we cut out a ton of shapes. Some of them are going to be extras, but we want to have 3 of each shape for our mobile. So take 3 squares and fold them in half, and then do the same with your circles, triangle, and hearts. And you can choose any colors that you would like. I'm choosing to do 1 green, 1 blue, and 1 red, but you are totally welcome to choose whatever colors you would like. So I folded 3 squares, 3 triangles, 3 circles, and 3 hearts. So there they all are in little piles, and I'm going to set them aside and grab my little ball of yarn. So we want to cut our yarn into 4 separate strings. And I recommend making them 4 different sizes so that when you hang them on your mobile, they'll hang at different lengths. So 4 different size pieces of string from your yarn. Alright, so this next part's a little tricky, but I noticed I had my pieces of paper on the table folding towards me. So you're going to have them folded towards you, and you're going to put glue on the back of one of them. So if it's folded towards you, the back of it would be folded not towards you. And you want to glue them together. So the next step is that you're going to glue the next one. So do 4 little dots. And then we're going to do 4 little dots on that side too, because we're going to be gluing both sides of the green one, but only do half of it for now. So see how I am folding half of it. And then we're going to put a little line of glue just right in the center there for our string to be held. So then we're going to take one of our pieces of yarn, put it in the middle like that, and then press down to close it. And now I'm going to do that with the next shapes too. So if you're still a little bit confused, keep watching, because I'm going to do the exact same thing I just did for the squares to the rest of the shapes. So that is how we took a two-dimensional flat shape and turned it into a three-dimensional form. So it started 2D flat and now it is three-dimensional. So next I'm going to do it with my circles. So make sure that you have them down, folded towards you, and you're going to put glue on that back side. And take the back side of the green one, or whatever color you're using, and put them down. And then the next part is that your third one is your last one, so you're going to put a couple dots of glue on both sides. And make sure that you don't glue down both sides yet, because you need to put some glue for your string. So just a little line. Put your yarn inside of there and then close that side. Alright, and again, have them down, folded towards you on the back end of it. Put a couple dots of glue, connect those two pieces. And put a couple of dots of glue, and only glue half of it so far. Put a little line of glue for the string, and then close that string in there. So if you're still confused how to do it, go back in the video and watch how I am holding the paper with my hands. So again, make sure that your paper is folded towards you, glue on the back side, and this is the last one that I'm going to show you with the hearts. So both pieces folded towards us, connecting them on that one side. And then don't glue down the other side yet, because we want to put a little line of glue for our string. And then fold that string together. So next we want to find the ends of our string on all four of our shapes. And we're going to take our popsicle sticks that hopefully are dry by now. And we are going to, like I said, find our ends of our string and just put them something like that so that you know where each one is. And we're going to put a little dot of glue on the end of each popsicle stick and just press down a little bit on that string, and then just another teeny little dot on top of the string. And make sure you don't lift your popsicle sticks up yet. We are going to be leaving this on the table until it dries. So if you need to move it first, make sure you do that, because once you glue these to it, you don't want to move it till it's dry. So keep putting a little dot of glue on the end of your popsicle stick, pressing down your yarn to make sure that it stays, and then another teeny little dot of glue on top of it. So now let this sit there and dry until it is completely dry, until you can't see the white of the glue anymore, because these definitely will fall off if you try to pick it up right now. So once your mobile has dried completely, you are welcome to use some markers or any other materials you'd like to decorate your popsicle sticks, and you can also draw on your shapes if you would like to. Alrighty, so notice that there's no more white of the glue. It's dried and turned completely clear. And here is my final product. Try your best to get a good picture of your mobile and upload it to Google Classroom, and don't forget to click submit. I can't wait to see them.